Technoset's been renowned over the years for making precision turn parts in medium to high volumes. And we're going to take a closer look at our technology here today. Going to start off with the M32s, a citizen machine. We've had one a few years ago, and we have a more recent addition. We've got Martin here, who's going to take a little look through the part. So what we got running on what we refer to as M32-1 today,
yeah,
Martin?
on the older Series 4 version, we're just doing a bolt at the moment. It's just had a high tensile steel. Nothing particularly special, but it's got quite tight tolerances, quite high surface finish requirements. Holds it really nicely on this machine.
So cycle time on that, Martin, to make that?
At the moment, that's about 1 minute, 140 seconds, I think, for this car at the moment.
Lovely. And in terms of keeping production continuous and the challenges that you face in making that part, how does the M32 lend itself to that?
On this older version, we've got just got a high pressure system, so it helps to blast the chip swarf away and hit us hard enough to get the chip breakers actually working on the machine.
And that's absolutely perfect, really, as a lead into the other machine. The chip breaking is really important, and that was part of our requirement when we moved across onto the new M32 and the chip breaking capability. So just take a little a moment to talk about that, if you would, Martin.
Yeah, so obviously this is the Series 5's M32, which has got the LFE technology on it, which allows us to break the chip when we're running. It means we can run jobs that before we maybe only could run while people are here or for a little while. This is essentially running 24 hours a day now.
So that LFB technology it's an oscillation. It's a movement as the.
That's right. It's a synchronisation between the spindle and the axis to provide air cut, so it just breaks the chip away. There's a little bit of tweaking as you put a different material on, but once you get it right, it just runs without having to touch it then.
It does put a little bit of additional time into the cycle time, though, doesn't it? But the benefits.
Oh yeah, more than outweighs that. Like say, 10, 12 hours unmanned. Yeah, I'm willing to sacrifice a few seconds of that if you are.
Yeah. Oh well, I certainly am. Yeah. If it's running round the clock, Martin. These two machines, Mitsubishi controls.
Mitsubishi control. Very user friendly, especially with the touch screen now. That's a nice addition.
Yeah. Yeah, lovely. And this it's running cycle time on that part.
That one is about 6.5 minutes now.
6.5 minutes, lovely. And also there's some internal broaching features in there as well.
Yeah, so I mean everything's quite tied up. We've got some internal keyways, some external keyways, and obviously the parts have got to fit together quite snugly as well. So there's some quite complex stuff on there.
Excellent, well done, and running round the clock, which is music to my ears. Thanks, Martin, thanks for your time.